What's up guys, it's your girl Jada Jay, and I know you're probably wondering, oh my gosh, where did you get your outfit from? Great question. ChicQuteBoutique.com. If you like the fit, purchase it. It'll be in the description box below. Check it out, it's my favorite boutique. Second, you're probably wondering, where the heck is your wedding ring, girl? Girl, she's getting the ultimate princess treatment right now, okay? She's getting clean, soldered, all of the above, okay? So she's coming back, okay? I need to name her, to be honest. I'm thinking Janet. I don't know, we'll see.
Just here I am for you, to feel your heart's desire. I feel the breeze in the trees as the bells start to ring.
I'm gonna be sorting through a lot of my wedding stuff. And I also want to give some advice because I'm a 2025 bride. The first thing is to create an email for you and your partner. Just make it you and your partner's first name and then your last name together that you both are gonna have. It's so much easier doing everything wedding-wise through that one email. So if we're making a purchase together, we'll just give the people our email. It's just so much more convenient. And you can even use it after the wedding. So I really recommend making a wedding email. It made wedding planning so much easier between me and my fiance because he could see everything that I was doing by going to the Google Docs, because I would type everything out in the Google Docs. I would put the links to everything there. Everything would be laid out, organized, and he was seeing everything that I was working on, and he had full access to everything. Utilize Google Forms when you're organizing things for your bridesmaids or groomsmen. Use a Google form, and this will also help if you do it through your email that you created. Use a Google form to ask everyone questions, like have them fill out the form with their sizes. Like I'm surprising my bridesmaids and bridesmen with pajamas and plenty of other things. I need their sizes to know what to get them. So having them fill that out with their allergies or things like that, if you want to cater breakfast the morning of, it's important to know what they can and can't eat, or, you know, just having this information. A whole box full of stuff. I kept things very simple. I asked their first and their last name, what size shirts that they wear, and pants and dresses and pajamas, their shoe size, their preferred robe size, if they have food allergies, if they had any conflicts. Getting good at this sorting stuff, okay? So the girls will have this golden pajama set. It's a button down, and then it comes with shorts, some slippers to match. Flower girl basket will look like. All right, doing pretty good with this box, almost finished. You buy your bouquet, however you say it, after you go dress shopping. I ordered mine before I went dress shopping. It was a huge mistake because after I ended up finding my dress, I was like, these flowers do not complement this dress at all. Hold on, let me look up how to say it. How do I say bouquet?
Which language?
English.
Bouquet.
Bouquet. Buy your bouquet after your dress. Bouquet. Okay, so it's like bow and then K. No one is gonna care about your wedding like you are. It sucks. Like, there are gonna be people who are gonna go hard for your wedding, of course, but nobody's gonna care about it more than you. There's some selfishness that comes out of people when you get married that you're gonna be like, what the heck is my wedding? But, you know, it just, I feel like weddings just bring out, you know, some of them inner demons that people are wrestling with, because, ooh, some people be acting out, honey. What I'm doing is dedicating my bouquet to her. As a surprise at the wedding, I'm gonna say, you know, I would like to dedicate this to my mother. And so she's gonna have the one I walk down the aisle with, and then I'm gonna have another one, which I believe is this one, I gotta double check, that I'm gonna still do the bouquet toss with, because I need to do one. And I'm gonna play the song, My Milkshake Brings Out of Us to the Yard, instead of all the single ladies, because everybody always wants to do single ladies, but now we're gonna do My Milkshake Brings Out, and I'll be like, and toss. Bag with their initials on it. That's the initial bags for the junior bridesmaids. So the initial bags that I'm giving my bridesmaids are going to look like this. These are the flower petals for the flower girls. Oh, look! Like, here comes the Jada. That was nice in my head, but now I have to pick up all the petals. Glasses. Ready for my wedding day. Jada Jay's wedding day. Yeah. Okay, so this is actually my maid of honors bouquet. So cute. The little gem on there. And then these are all the bridesmaids ones. So I guess the one I'm actually like throwing to during the bouquet toss is actually in a different box. Put all the songs you want in one document. So you know your document where you have your Gmail account together, your documents that's connected to it, like your Google Docs and things like that. Make a Google document, put all the songs you want in one document, and choose your songs over time. So if you hear something, you're like, ooh, I want this, add it to that document. As soon as you start planning, start building your song documents. Look at your playlist. Pay attention to what you're vibing to in restaurants or when you're in a car, listening to the radio. Add it in that document, you won't regret it. I'm telling you right now, you don't want to try to do it all in one sitting and forget some iconic songs in there. Get a warranty for one ring if you're going to get your ring soldered. So my partner had the option of paying for warranty for the first ring he initially proposed with, as well as the wedding band, but he got warranty on the wedding band, but because it's soldered together, both of the rings are covered because it's like one ring and it falls under the warranty. Instead of paying warranty for both rings because they're ultimately getting soldered together, I only needed to pay for warranty one time, and now I'm able to get it all resized, beads added on, that's covered by the warranty, get it all for free. And that's only from getting warranty on one ring instead of both. Because if you're getting it soldered together, you could use it on both. I learned that from somebody at the jewelry store. If you aren't sending out digital invitations, get extra envelopes because people will mess up sending their own addresses. That's crazy to me how many people messed up their own address and the invitation bounced back. I'm like, how did you give me the wrong address? Or why didn't you include your zip code? Or why didn't you include your apartment number? Or what do you mean you typed in the wrong address completely? Like, it's crazy to me, but just get ready for that. It's psychotic. Also, get ready for people inviting themselves to your wedding, or people who are invited, inviting extra people to the wedding, or trying to invite their kids when you said no children. So the morning of, the pajamas are gonna be laid out, the bride bag will be here, and the flowers that they'll be walking down the aisle with will be placed, and the pajamas will be laid out. So now I have to do that for every single one of these things to make it look like this, and I am done.
Attention, baby, you know I want it. I wanted it the hard way. No, it ain't been easy. Fighting so hard for your love.